All right. Happy Friday, everyone. So tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is the Medium Day. And if you don't know what Medium is, just go to medium.com. Some of you might be aware that I've been writing on Medium for a while. It's a great platform to learn about anything and everything. Okay, that's the short description. The reason for me to make this video is that tomorrow is what's been called Medium Day, and there will be a lot of speakers who are the actually writers who have been contributing on the platform. And it's all free of charge. And I am one of the 250 speakers that is talking tomorrow. I have my session at 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, August 12th. All right. The nice thing is you can just register for the event for free. You can go, you can browse, you can find people, you can find the subjects that you're interested in, and you can just listen to it. And then it's going to be an open platform and you can ask questions. So I'm going to talk about my session pretty briefly, but let's have a look at what's happening here. So you are invited to Medium Day. Tomorrow is the date. You can just follow this link here, which says reserve your free ticket and register for it. Once you hit that, it's going to open this new window, which is showing, okay, the time for human stories is now. There's a big movement about, getting this more human let's say, input to writing and creativity. And the Medium Day will be pushing that, which is really great. If you see the register button here, which is like super obvious, you can just do that. Once you start scrolling, it's going to start loading the schedule. So there, for instance, I'm going to just search for my name, and you're going to see that I have the 10 to 10:30 a.m. Session that's called Design, Computation, Human. You would realize that this is also my YouTube channel name, right? So I kind of like came up with it after I did my TEDx talk. So I'm trying to kind of like intertwine these three concepts and talk about design and computation. And I'm going to only use 10 minutes to make a presentation. It's going to be super fast. It's going to be super distilled, right? So it's going to be fast, but I'm going to give the very key points about computation. And of course, there's going to be the discussion about AI, right? So there's no way of not talking about AI today. So that's why we're going to talk about the role of AI as well in the current design processes and so on. So with that, what you can do is you can go to the link below, which is the direct registration link. You can find my name as I showed here. And you can also look into the schedule and see if there's anything that you're interested in. Again, like these are very influential writers. They're experts, right? And you're just getting this for free is just amazing. It's just very similar to going to a large conference. There are 250 speakers, and you can learn if you attend only like three sessions, right? So it's going to be 90 minutes of your time, but I'm sure you're going to get a lot from it. So with that, join tomorrow. If you want to ask me questions, that's going to be the time. We have less than 22 hours to go, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks.